Hey y'all, so I've got a can of cream of chicken soup right there. And to that we're gonna be adding half a cup of sour cream. So that's half of this tub, which is 4 ounces. And to that we're gonna be adding half a cup of just plain mayo. So I've got a cup here, just gonna get that all in there. Looks about right. To that we're going to be adding a 2-cup bag of triple cheddar cheese. That goes right there. And a 2-cup bag of this cheddar, Gouda, and Gruyere cheese that I found at Walmart. I guess they're trying to be fancy. Everything a mix, just real quick. To that we're adding some onion powder, about a teaspoon or so. I don't have an actual measure. And some black pepper, about a teaspoon or so as well. And about the same amount of ground mustard. This is such a good recipe. Keep mixing this. It's perfect for cold weather. I make this all the time and everybody loves this recipe. They always ask me, like, what did you do? What's the secret ingredient? Well, that secret ingredient is that cream of chicken soup. Really, really good. And to that, we're gonna be adding an entire pound of elbow macaroni. Get that all in there. I'm gonna get everything stirred. Make sure all that cheese and the macaroni is mixed together. Just flatten everything out, scrape down the sides. Set this on high for 3 hours. Wow, take a look. Looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a mix. Make sure that this all gets combined. Oh my goodness. If you like mac and cheese as much as I do, you wanna try all the different kinds, you need to try this recipe because look, it's kind of like an upside down. I know that sometimes the crock pots you go, I can't find the crusty bits, the crispy bits. But guess what? In this recipe, crispy bits are on the bottom. So mix all that together. And then we're gonna top everything with a little bit of parsley because a little bit of green makes this look so pretty. And I'm just gonna go ahead and dig on in, get some of that crunchy, crusty, cooked cheese bits. What do you call these? Like, what is like the brown cheesy bits? It's hot, but it's delicious. You totally should make these for your next potluck.